Had a restaurant all the way around Denver, around there. In the middle there was a sauna, pool,
It's the fastest internet you can get.
team room.
Get unlimited local and long distance calling with Cable One Phone. The best services, the best value. Cable One.
Sometimes I get inspiration just walking around the French Quarter. Like the other day, I was right about Peter. What if I created a new fried shrimp with flavor that just explodes in your mouth? So I did. Popeye's brand new firecracker butterfly shrimp, Cajun fries, a biscuit, and firecracker dipping sauce for just $4.99. And while you're at it, try our new Big Easy Cooler. It's our first flavor variety mix, and it's only available at Popeye.
This season, Millionaire is hotter than ever with game-changing strategies.
I don't want to take a chance, so I'm going to drop this one.
And big excitement. This week on Millionaire.
No competition. You don't know X. Simon Cowell's TSS is coming this fall to Fox.
Closed captioning brought to you by Ford.
Or Denver. That one we stayed in was right in the heart. It was Denver downtown.
Yeah.
It was round. It was a round tower.
Just a bar? Just a bar?
Yeah, it had bars down in the lobby.
Get ready
Had
for the
bars
left
right
lane.
at the top.
The Volkswagen
Oh, you didn't go around to the bottom to the...
Right now, get a great deal.
Yeah, the whole building, the whole
That's what I was
center,
saying.
intersection
One
of
of
the
the top
building was
safety
round.
picked by the IAHS. That's the power of German engineering. Hurry in and lease the Jetta S for just $179 a month.
Round for about
Visit VWDealer.com.
25 or 30 floors, I guess.
If you like Facebook, come
But
to
the
Best
bottom
Buy,
wasn't
where an
round.
expert will find a perfect phone for you,
At the corner
like the
lot.
AT&T HTC status. It lets you post instantly to Facebook with the push of a button. And it's just
Car went out.
$49 with no mail-in rebate.
Ride.
Of course,
You don't have to ride too far out there. You know you can get you some ass snow out there.
doesn't mean you should.
Well, then
AT&T
you ride
HTC
snow in
status,
Denver.
only $49.99 at Best Buy.
City.
We built Toyota Tundra with over 400 pound-feet of torque, the biggest brakes in the business, and the largest rear differential. It's how Tundra delivers massive payload and towing capacity that doesn't extra mile every time. Why do we put more than every Toyota? Because you demand more from your Toyota. Save more with these special offers on TSS Tundra.
I literally got a flea on camera.
Including 2 years
I imagine you
complimentary
did.
Toyota Care.
Closed captioning and other considerations. 2.5 Men provided by.
Your nose is cold. You put one, get off of it.
Kids Wet Skin. New Neutrogena Wet Skin Kids. Ordinary sunblock drips and whitens. Neutrogena Wet Skin cuts through water. Forms a broad spectrum barrier for full strength
Or your
sunshine.
nose, whichever one it was. Cold.
Impressive resume. I see you're fluent in 3 languages. Graduated top gas.
Got gas on your mind? Your son Rip is on line toot. Try Gas X. Powerful relief from pressure and blood and a fast-acting chewable.
Talk to me, Daddy.
Pressure's off.
So you better talk to me. You better talk to me.
Be hot.
Yep.
Look at this man. Talk, talk, talk.
Get out now. I'm not going on a date. You don't know that. I didn't start this day thinking we'd all be sitting together bare-ass naked, but here we are.
Hey, Dad, want to hear a funny joke?
Sure, why not?
There's a priest, a minister, and a rabbit.
That might be.
Yeah. Okay, a priest, a minister, and a rabbi. I forgot the rest. I got it.
Wait, you know why they call this European HubSpot? Because European. You're chill at school tomorrow. I'm not going on a date. Come on, Ellen. If you don't do this, then I'm not going to get the revenge sex. And I really want the revenge sex. I really, really do. I'm sorry. It's not that I don't
What is
appreciate
wrong
you
with him,
for taking me out on my deathbed.
Oh!
It's just that I'm Not ready, Dave. Not ready.